In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments for certain days and times. Imagine being able to effortlessly organize appointments, setting up specific time slots that align perfectly with your availability. Sounds helpful, right? Google Forms is a versatile tool that can help streamline this process, making it easy for both you and those booking appointments. Let's walk through the steps to get you set up. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Google Forms. If you're signed into your Google account, it should be a quick journey. Once there, start with a new form by clicking the blank option. You'll want to name your form something recognizable, like Appointment Scheduler, to keep things organized. This will make it easy to identify among other forms as well. In the description, clearly state the purpose of your form, letting individuals know this is where they can schedule appointments. Now, to gather the essential information you need to manage appointments effectively, you'll begin by adding necessary fields. Start with the basics, a short text field for the name, and possibly another for the email address. This allows you to have essential contact information handy. Next, to tackle scheduling, add a date question type. This feature will allow individuals to choose from available dates, ensuring they pick a day that suits your designated schedule. To make this even more efficient, consider adding a specific time slot question. You can use the multiple choice grid option, listing different days as rows and corresponding time slots as columns. This allows users to select their preferred appointment time with ease. Don't forget to include an optional section for additional notes or questions attendees might have. This could also be a paragraph text field near the end of your form. Next up is setting up form settings to fine-tune your scheduler. Navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you might want to enable response receipts, so respondents receive a confirmation of their selected slots. Also, consider limiting responses to one per person to avoid double bookings. Once all fields and settings feel good to go, preview your form to see how it looks from a respondent's perspective. This can help you identify any potential improvements or corrections before it goes live. Happy with your creation? Hit the Send button. You can share your appointment form via email, a link, or even embed it on a website. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning that integrating this with Google Sheets can keep things even more organized, allowing you to automatically collate responses into a structured document. This document could be your go-to for managing and referencing ongoing appointments. All set. You now have a functional appointment scheduler in Google Forms, making organizing your engagements a breeze. Remember, a clear and concise form enhances user experience, making this powerful tool even more valuable. Happy scheduling!